Hello, my dear student. Welcome to Russian Language Lab with Vita. And I'm your Russian language coach, Vita. Today, let's practice writing the Russian cursive letter S. The name of the letter is S, but I will call the name of the sound S. Please watch carefully. This is the uppercase letter S. This is the lowercase letter S. This is our transcription. So, let's watch how I write these cursive letters. This is the uppercase cursive letter S. And this is the lowercase cursive letter S. Let's write both of them together. Now please take a piece of paper and try writing the cursive letter S by yourself. Write in the comments if you enjoyed this video and feel free to share your thoughts or questions below. You can also share this video with your friends who are learning Russian cursive. Thank you for learning with me and see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.